The allegations brought against Ken Paxton in his impeachment trial stretch back to 2019, but they reached a fever pitch 1 week back in 2020. And few people had as much of a role in that as Jeff Mateer, the former first assistant attorney general and the first witness in Paxton's impeachment trial.
One of the jobs of the first assistant is to protect, in addition to running the office, was to protect the attorney general. And quite frankly, I obviously failed at that.
Mateer resigned on October 2nd, 2020, 4 days after learning that Paxton had allegedly brought in an attorney against the guidance of his office to investigate allegations brought forward by Nate Paul.
We knew a lot more about Nate Paul. We had learned a lot more about who he was, what was being alleged against him. I mean, he was not a good guy. And had a lot of concerns about that.
Before he resigned, he and other senior staff brought their concerns to the FBI, which Paxton's attorneys say was a mistake.
Is it possible, Mr. Mateer, that you jumped to a lot of conclusions really fast?
I don't believe so, sir.
And you could have put all this to bed if you had just talked to your boss.
Tony Buzbee seemed to go even as far as to insinuate possible collusion between the whistleblower's allegations against Paxton and Paxton's rival candidate for Attorney General, George P. Bush. And notably, Mateer said he was making assumptions about Paxton's role when he went to the feds, including at the time possible blackmail given Paxton's extramarital affair, which Paxton had confessed to. Paxton's wife, Angela, was in the courtroom on Wednesday listening to that testimony. Ken Paxton himself was not.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.